Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Quinn 1/2 inch digital torque wrench from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, so we got the Quinn 1/2 inch digital torque wrench. It is a 72 tooth ratcheting 5 degree arc swing, item number 64916. So we got Quinn 1/2 inch torque wrench, digital torque wrench, 72 tooth. It says 12.5 to 250 foot-pounds of torque range, LCD readout with visual audible indicator, foot-pounds, newton meters, inch pounds, degrees, whatnot, you name it, it has it. So I don't know how to say that. Kilograms, centimeters. Alright, you got provides angle readouts for torque yield fasteners. Says store up to 9 presets, 9 torque settings. Says includes protective molded storage case. And as you guys see it there, it says, hopefully we can see that there. Alright, so we got 72 tooth ratcheting mechanism, audible beep, visible light indicated when torque is reached. 5 button control pad allows you to preset your torque value, change units of measure, change mode, operation with peak, angle, follow choices, save readings, and select units of measure. Requires 2 AA batteries included. Alright, so easier read display. You got chemical resistant comfort grip. It says accuracy. I don't know if you guys can read that. It says accuracy right here. Accuracy plus or minus 3% clockwise, plus or minus 4% counterclockwise. Distributor Harbor Freight, Calibration, California. Made in Taiwan. So right off the bat, you know this is made in Taiwan. You know this is a higher quality tool. It's not your Chinesium or Chinese type of you know, obviously I'm not discriminating because there's some good stuff from China. Just most of the stuff that comes from China, like some of these Harbor Freight China products, are mixed, pretty much some good and some bad. Usually the Taiwan production or the Taiwan tools like this, they're usually the higher quality tools. It's just something to keep in mind. Pictures there, some examples of how you can use it. And then some more pictures there, and the LCD readouts, and then you got the picture with the case. Once we open the box, this is what you're going to be seeing. I guess it does come with the plastic, a protective case. Nice plastic. And then we have this. This is the cover. We're gonna have to take this off, I guess. Alright, the first thing that we have is some instructions. And we do have some it looks like AA batteries. Alright, and we have the torque wrench. This is how the torque wrench is going to be when you buy it, pretty much. Some moisture free. We're just going to go ahead and leave that there, and we're going to cut this that took some effort. Pretty thick zip ties there. You see here, we got some plastic. You know what? This is some plastic handles here. Not necessarily. I'm gonna put the batteries in here for now. I gotta say, the case is nice. Case is nice. They seem to be pretty solid. Yeah, they seem to be pretty solid. However, I would like these to be metal. It's just the way, you know, you're gonna be guaranteed that this thing's gonna be, this case gonna be here forever. It got a nice rugged plastic case. This Quinn here. Let's put this case back here. Got a really nice torque wrench. It says Quinn right here. It is plastic. All this is plastic. So no rubber handles on this. You got a nice digital LCD screen there, and then you got a nice, you guys hear that? It's pretty high quality ratcheting there. It does sound like a 72 tooth. Nice and shiny. You got it looks like a serial number here, or maybe a part number. Alright, let's put the batteries inside. Looks like we're gonna have to put the batteries here. We got the certification of calibration here. It says plus or minus 3% clockwise, plus or minus 4% counterclockwise. It says plus or minus 3 degrees, rotating 90 degrees at speed of 30 degrees per second. It says the test equipment used in the performance of the above calibration is traceable to NIST. The dates that it was calibrated, it was 2020 11/17, so November 17 2020. So we got a screwdriver here. According to the instructions, you put them along with the plus inside and the negative outside. Alright, once you have the instructions or the batteries inside, you can go ahead and turn it on. As you guys see there, it's in foot-pounds. So it does have memory. It says 12.5, memory 7, memory 1. So we're just gonna leave it there. We're gonna try this outside, see how it works. Alright, first we're gonna test to see how much torque this nut has. So we go hold on function, and then we get to this screen, and then just click on the peak, and then just click function again. It should take you back until you see the foot-pounds, and then we measure we take the measurement here, and it's recommended not to use with an adapter like I am, and it measures at 26. Then you click function again, zero it out. Alright, let's take this off and retake the measurement. Alright, the measurement for this is 19.2. And then to set the torque, all you have to do is either hit memory and then just hit the up and down buttons to select the foot-pounds that you want, desired foot-pounds you want to torque, and then just pretty much torque it. You wait until you hear the beep, and then once you hit the solid beep, you're pretty much right at it. So first light is the first beep is the green light. The second beep, or the solid beep, is the red. That means you're directly already on the targeted torque. And you just get to play with it, get the feeling out of it, so you can be the best accurate with the tool. So start playing with it. As you guys see there, it's a really nice function to have. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, maybe to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.